Today I'm going to show you a way of making money online by YouTube Shorts without showing your face and without monetizing your videos. Yes guys, you can start making money from today. You don't need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to make money on YouTube. Well, if you have that, it will be a bonus. But in this video, I'm going to show you an easy strategy that will take about only 10 minutes a day to earn $3,600 per month. Well, this amount will be lesser, the same, or even higher according to your commitment, guys. This is one of the methods that I found, and I'm still using this and earning thousands and thousands of dollars. It really works, guys. And congratulations to Nadia Henderson, who won the $1,000 giveaway last week. And guys, you also can win this $1,000 giveaway by commenting your favorite movie star. Comment down below my favorite movie star is and enter the contest to win the $1,000 giveaway. And make sure you tap on the like button until it turns blue for the YouTube's algorithm. And if you're new here, make sure you tap on the red subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so I'll be sending you a notification whenever I have a brand new strategy to earn money online, so you'll be one of the first persons around the world to use it and make the most of it. Let's jump straight into my laptop. Making money from YouTube Shorts, so you have to come over to youtube.com and search #shorts, and you'll see the YouTube Shorts over here. Look at these videos, guys, they get millions of views. This one over here has got 1.9 million views in 2 days. YouTube Shorts is one of the most trending topics in the world right now. In order to make your video a YouTube Short, the duration of your video should be less than 1 minute. Don't worry guys, I'll take you through a step-by-step process, and that's really easy, guys. So what are we going to upload as shorts, and how can we earn money without having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? For those of you who don't know about that, YouTube wants you to have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours in order to monetize your videos. So let's assume that you are going to start a brand new YouTube channel and you don't have any subscribers or watch hours, but you can start making money from today onwards, guys. So you have to come over to digistore24.com and hit register now and complete a simple form and sign up. Guys, why I use Digistore24 is I can use ClickBank for this as well, but in some countries ClickBank doesn't work. So that's why I chose Digistore24. And after signing up, your dashboard will be like this, and you have to go over to the marketplace. And here you can search for fitness, and we are promoting this one today. Don't go anywhere. You haven't seen this strategy anywhere on YouTube or any other place. If you have seen this strategy anywhere, you can send me the link and I'll give you $1,000. So today we are making money from this product. You can earn $36 per each product, and guys, you can receive $75 after every 10th sale, and they are paying a commission rate of 80%. And let's go to their affiliate support page, and it's like this: earn what you deserve. These will be the commissions you'll get per each sale. They have 12-week workout and nutrition plans, diet plans, membership. Don't worry, don't panic, this is really easy. It will take you just less than 10 minutes. Okay, what you have to do is to just go through these digital programs: how to dunk and build the ultimate athletic body, fat burning home workout, men's muscle mass. They have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 digital programs. Yeah, let's pick 3. So what I'm gonna do is just copy this and go over to Google and you paste it. So fat burning home workouts, and you have to go to images and go to tools over here and usage rights, and it should be Creative Commons licenses, and you just pick one of these images, guys. Let's pick this one, and you can save the image. And next, come over to your sales page again, select something else. I'll select this one, women's lean muscle, and open a new tab and paste it and search for the images, tools, usage rights, Creative Commons, and choose an image you prefer. and save it to downloads. Save it to your computer and go to the affiliate sales page again and choose another one just like this and open a new tab, search on Google, go to images, tools, usage rights, Creative Commons, and choose a photo you prefer. I'll choose one randomly and save it. And now what you have to do is to come over to canva.com. You can sign up for a free account. They have a paid version as well, but you can do all the stuff by the free account. You have to go to video and go to mobile video, and then what you have to do is to upload the photos you downloaded. Just drag and drop those photos and choose that photo, drag it like this and place it wherever you like. You can play around with this. I'm not taking much time in this, just showing you the process. So this photo, we opened new tabs, you remember, so we can go to those tabs and copy the phrase we searched and go to text, add heading and paste what you copied just like this. And you can like make the background like this. As I told you earlier, you can play around with it and you can animate this as well. When you start, give a heading, something eye-catchy, and that's done. And you have to add a page from here. You can change the background if you like, or you just go with the same background, use another photo, go to the page where we searched for that photo, copy this phrase and add text, paste it and add another page, use this photo, get the phrase, copy, text, paste it, and you can animate these as well. I'll show you. Let's go to the first picture, select the text, hit animate. You can select anything from here and animate the photo and this one as well, and you can animate the second one and the photo and the third one as well. Select the text, hit animate, select what you like, select the photo as well, and that's it. It's a 15-second video, you know. You can edit the timing of this. You can, like, if you like, you can make it like 6 seconds, and this one will make it 5 seconds, 6.5, altogether it's 17.5 seconds. And guys, this is the last page of your video, so you have to give this one as well. Get a text and put link in description and take it over here and go to elements and search for an arrow. These are all free ones, so let's choose this one. These are already animated ones, so again copy that and paste it, copy paste, play around with that. Simple, right? And that's it. And go over here and hit download it, and it will download to your computer. Until it gets downloaded, let's come over to Digistore again, and you have to hit this promote now button and you'll get this link, and this link will be in your description. And if someone clicks this, we'll go over here and see what will they see. And this person over here called Brandon Todd will do all the marketing. He got some videos as well, and you'll learn 80% of the revenue he gets from the people who use your link to buy his products. And they can get ebooks, diet plans, and his blueprint on how to get the ultimate athletic body, and even they sell memberships as well. They will be recurring income. And now let's see, and yeah, our video is there downloaded, and let's see the video. Let's play it. Just look at this. It just took like 10 minutes to do this video. So you can play around with this, add some audio as well. You got audio here in Canva. Use any of those audio, filter from here and filter the free audio tracks they got. all are royalty free. This is a huge library, guys. If you don't find this interesting, you can come over to studio.youtube.com and scroll down and go to this audio library and download from this massive library. And these ones also, you are free to use the audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. And come over to YouTube, go to create, upload video, select the file, and your file will be uploaded here. What you have to do is to give a good title and then hashtag shorts, and copy that and go to the description and paste the same thing. There should be hashtag shorts in your description, guys, remember. And give a call to action. This will make your ultimate athletic body easily. Give something like that, and then grab this affiliate link, copy the link and paste it. That's all. For more SEO and all, you can get some ideas from this one. So you can type our fat burn home workout just like this, and women's lean muscle, and just type some keywords and like type fitness, diet plans. Type some keywords that will help your video to rank better on YouTube. And don't upload in thumbnails, select one from here, and you have to give some tags here as well. Tags as in fitness, diet plans, and give some tags here. Make sure you give all 500 characters and hit next. If you monetize, you can monetize, and this will probably reach thousands of viewers. Maybe just imagine, on average you get $36 per each sale. So imagine 100 people buy your product in a month. It's not just with one video. You have to keep on uploading videos. It's better if you can upload one video per day for 30 days. Your channel will also grow, your watch time will also grow, your videos will go viral, and you will make more and more sales as it gets viral. And when you do videos with Canva, you get some experience and your videos will be professional looking day by day. And that's what I wanted to show you, and I really hope you guys got a value out of this video. If you have any questions, type down below. Comment your favorite movie star to enter the contest to win the $1,000 giveaway. Share this video with your mates. Thanks for watching.